Do you have a little bit of wanderlust? Do you wish you could just snap your fingers and have your own portable, profitable travel business that you could run from the comfort of your home, or better yet, while you travel the world? Well, my name is Cyndi Williams. I've been in the industry over 25 years and I help people just like you start, grow, and supersize their travel businesses. And right now we have such a unique opportunity because we have a little more time right now. If you've ever thought about having a travel business, if you've ever thought about becoming a travel advisor or a travel agent, now is the best time, and I'm going to tell you why. First and foremost, if you haven't heard already, there's a huge media storm going on. Just Google Forbes, USA Today, Travel Weekly, plus travel agents, and read the things that they are saying about us. What are they saying? Well, they're saying the clients that booked through these big OTAs, these big online travel agencies, as we call them in the industry, they had horrendous service through this COVID thing that went on. And really, sometimes when any crisis pops up, their service is subpar. People lost money, people still don't have their vacations rescheduled. If they're not traveling in the next 2 or 3 days, they're saying, hang up the phone, I can't help you. This has really created a media storm of positivity for travel agents, because what are these large media outlets telling consumers to do? They're saying, get in touch with your travel agent. Make sure you have a travel advisor on speed dial. Make sure if you're investing thousands of dollars in your vacation that you are doing it with someone who is going to help you, advocate on your behalf, take care of you if and when something happens, which stuff does. And guys, this isn't the only crisis. There's hurricanes, there's other health crises, there's airport shutdowns, there's all kinds of different things that can happen in the world. I've seen it all after 25 years, right? But the beauty of this is, as a travel advisor, travel agent, someone who owns my own portable, profitable, hugely successful travel agency, we've been helping clients for years, so we know the work and care that goes in. Now it's just being displayed on this huge scale across the nation, which is amazing for us. So if you've been thinking about getting in the travel industry, let me tell you why the timing is so great right now. One, we were already thriving. Before this happened, we were already thriving. We have our client bases. When travel resumes, things are going to get back to normal. That was already in play. These OTAs, guys, do billions of dollars in travel business every single year. That is now a new market that is open to us. They do not want to rebook with those services. They are looking for travel advisors who are going to be their go-to going forward every time they have a family vacation. Don't you want that to be you? So what I do is I help people just like you, even if you've never worked in the travel industry before, even if you have no idea how this whole thing would come together, even if you're like, I don't even know where to start. Don't worry, you're in good hands. I've been training travel agents for over 20 years, guys. So and you've been asking me for this product for over 2 years. And last year I launched it. It's called the Travel Agency Launch Kit. It's the complete kit that you need to launch your own portable, profitable travel business in 30 days or less. You can do it in the comfort of your home. So right now, while you don't have a boss looking over your shoulder, you have some more at-home time. You have a little more time you can dedicate. Maybe you didn't even 4 or 5 months ago, but you do now. So what I'm doing is I'm putting together an incredible offer that is like a no-brainer. So this can be super affordable for you to get started immediately, so you can put yourself in the best position possible to be ready as the market resumes to normal and as we have this flood of new consumers. You know, because they're not looking for just any travel agent. They're looking for someone who is trained and who is prepared and who is ready to service them at the highest level possible. And the first step to that path is getting launched, right? Getting that launch out of the way, and the other things you can start working on while you're in this quarantine time frame. So, who is this for? This product is for anyone who is aspiring to be a travel agent. If you're already launched, this product's not for you. We have other services and programs and things that can support you if you're looking to grow in marketing or grow your existing agency. Go to our website at careersonvacation.com and check out those other offerings. This offer is specifically for people who don't already have a travel agency or have no idea how to become a travel agent. It's that first starter kit, the ABCs and the 1, 2, 3s of the program. So I have a whole list here. I want to share with you what's included. So, you know, if you're starting with a passion for travel, that's all you need, and everything else is going to be in here. All right, so what do you get with the travel agency launch kit? First and foremost, you're going to get how to set your agency up, how to brand your agency, the type of mindset that is required as an agency owner, how to pick a profitable niche. That's an important thing, guys. You want to make sure that your business is profitable. So picking the right things or the right thing to sell or focus on is really key. That's also a beautiful thing too. You don't have to sell the whole world. That's a misconception. There are lots of niche businesses that are 6 figures and beyond as they grow. So you can start with those key areas that are going to be profitable and that you love to sell. So how do you pick that niche? We're going to go through that. And then we're going to walk you through how to actually launch your business. The launch kit also includes a set of training videos. This is not a boring manual that you have to read hundreds of pages. It is training on video in addition to modules and then real life things that you can use. You're also going to get access to a membership site. And here's the beautiful thing. It's not going to turn off after 30 days. Yes, you can launch in 30 days, but a lot of times we update the membership site from year to year. We put new tools and new resources on there. You're going to have forever access to that membership site. So once it turns on, maybe you're busy right now. Maybe you are maybe you're a first responder and you know you want to do this, but you're busy right now. You can launch it at any time. So take advantage of the offer because it's never been this low before. It will never be this low again after this offer, but take advantage of it. And then the kit doesn't go away. Okay. Once it turns on, you have access to all the training modules, all the tools, all the resources, and year after year, as we add things to the kit, you're going to get all of those included as well. So in addition to the actual kit, which is 100% worth the price of admission, especially at this offer, I put together some amazing bonuses to even help you further. So the first one is a set of templates. These are things my clients tell me all the time. Cyndi, we love templates. We love done for you stuff. So we have a launch letter, a pre-made launch letter for you. We have launch emails, and we have launch social media posts. All of the things where you can literally pop your new logo, which we also show you how to build your logo, how you get those, the whole starter kit of launching, how you get all of that content out. It's done for you. All you have to do is pop your logo on and put it out. I'm also going to give you my How to Work and Travel ebook. This is a book I actually went out and licensed just for the purpose of putting it in this kit as a free bonus for you. So it is an over 200-page guide of all of the basics in the travel industry. So instead of going through 4 years of university to really learn, dig into all of the historics and the concepts of travel, you don't need all of those pieces at a extended level to be able to sell in a few weeks, but I wanted you to have it so you know, how does a hub system work? What are city codes? What are these other things? So you have a reference guide. So that's included for totally free as an extra bonus in this offer as well. I'm also going to give you my top 10 favorite motivational videos. And I think this is really important because when you're home alone and you need that reassurance, I wanted to share with you 10 of our most motivational stories of people doing exactly what you're aspiring to do, so you can watch, see how they did what they did, and be inspired as you're growing and launching your own business. Now, the last thing I'm going to give you is the secret strategies of million-dollar agencies. After you launch your business, you want to be the best, right? So I'm sharing with you, and I work with thousands of travel professionals all over the world, and I consult with hundreds of travel businesses every single year, and I have a roster of clients who are well over 6 figures, and I can tell you from my years of working with all these agencies exactly the best practices they have in place that took them to get to that 6 figures and beyond, right? So I'm sharing with you what are those key things that they do. So that is provided in here as well. And last but not least, I'm also gonna give you a client roadmap. So after you launch, I wanted to share with you, what is the cycle of taking care of a client? What does that look like? How do you turn your business into a recurring business? So I have a great little visual for you on each step that you should be walking your clients through. So after you launch and you get into the care and the selling part of things, you know exactly what you should should be doing. You have a nice little clean roadmap to follow with handling your clients as well. So guys, that's everything. This entire bundle is valued at over $4,000. I normally sell it on my website at half off for $2,000, but we are doing something crazy and we're taking the half off price and we're taking another 75% off to offer this to you at a crazy $4.99, or you can do 2 payment plans as an option as well if you want to spread the payments over 2 months. So whichever is a better fit for you, but I wanted to make it a complete no-brainer. Like, you have a little more time, it's a tiny investment for what you're going to get to launch your business and start a new career. I know you're enjoying this extra time at home. I know you would love to take your business on the road. Just for the travel benefits and discounts and things that we get in the industry alone, it's worth it to get into the industry. But if you have been thinking about starting a hobby business or doing it full time, doesn't matter. Either one of those, this is the place that you can start. Some of my most successful clients started right here with this launch kit. So I hope so much that it is a help to you. I want to encourage you to launch your travel businesses. It is a perfect time, and I'm so excited for you. I wish you so much love, so much abundance. Click the link below. I'm not even saying the offer code on this video because if someone finds it after the offer is gone, the offer code's not gonna work. So we are doing this for a very limited time until a certain number of the kits sell out, and then it is going to be gone. So guys, grab your kit. I love you so much. I wish you so much love, so much abundance. I wish you the world. Hey guys, Cyndi Williams here. If you enjoyed the last video, make sure you check out our other content. There's so many great things to help you launch, grow, and supersize your travel businesses. And also you can travel around the world with me and find out what I'm doing in my own travel businesses too. Check it out.